helped David Minnis steal John's farm. That's what he did.
Hey, here we go. You're in for it now. There's Judd.
Okay guys, we're getting complaints from people in town here.
Really?
Talk to the county attorney.
Really? Let me have that.
Said that if you don't stop using the bullhorn, you can be arrested for disorderly conduct. If you don't stay off the streets, you can be arrested for disorderly.
Really? Because I have the city ordinance right here. And it says that we're allowed to do it, except in a case of using a danger warning signal. We're using a danger warning signal. See?
Okay, well, basically,
Need a flyer?
Judd
stop doing it, okay? Judd
Latham?
Yes, just stop doing it for right now. You can hand out all the flyers you want to.
Yeah.
Just don't stand in the street. We got complaints from the loud noise from civilians in town.
I don't care. That's not my problem.
Okay, well, I'll have to call the county attorney back, and if you keep it up, we will arrest.
Where is your county attorney? Where is your county attorney?
I don't know where he is at now. I talked to him on the phone.
Well, then call him on the call him up and I'll talk to him.
We'll talk to him.
Either stop with the blowhorn. If we get any more complaints, he will be arrested for disorderly conduct. Then he can go to court, and the judge can determine if it's legal or not.
It is legal.
Really?
Okay, well,
you mean the
just ask him
same
to stop
judge that
right
we
now.
which judge? Menace, the one that John placed under arrest and resisted arrest?
Criminal.
Okay. All I'm telling you is to stay off the street, do not block traffic, and do not use the blowhorn anymore.
We're on the sidewalk.
We were earlier in the street.
No, we weren't.
Well, we have to be on the street to get
Everybody
from one
else has
place to
got
the other.
cameras too. You're not the only ones with cameras and phones.
Yeah,
so
well, guess what?
just
You'll
stop
be on
it, okay?
YouTube. We're proving
Yeah,
it.
we'll stay on the sidewalk.
Stay on the sidewalk and do not use that blowhorn anymore.
Why don't you do your job? You know what the statute says.
So-
Do your job.
No, I need to talk to the county attorney.
Well, you can call his office like everybody else does.
Well, you just got him talking to him.
He's got caller
I got
ID.
my phone. You got your own phone. You
No,
call him.
I don't have a phone.
Okay, well, you can.
You made these wild claims that he said that we couldn't do it. I want to talk to this guy.
Wild claims. If you keep it up, you will be arrested for disorderly conduct.
Really?
Really?
Really? Then how come I'm not arrested now?
Because you're not doing it right now, and you stopped.
Well, that's because you came and harassed us. That's
I'm not
why.
harassing you. I'm
Yeah,
just
you
asking
did.
You're harassing.
No. You. I see. I want to see your ID too.
Okay, here's the deal.
No, I
We
want to
got
see your ID.
complaints from civilians.
I don't care.
Okay,
I don't care at all.
it's up to you.
I don't care in the slightest. I want to see your ID.
The badge is right here.
No,
It's got
I
my
want to
name
see.
on it.
I want to
That's
see.
all I have.
I want to. No, you don't.
You're above the law too again. There you go.
John
Make up your
Besser,
own
you
law.
know who I am. You've
No,
dealt
I
with me
don't.
before.
I don't know who you are.
You don't know your ID.
I don't know you from Adam.
Why don't you do something
Stop
lawful?
using
You
the
stole my
bullhorn.
farm illegally.
You have
You
any
guys were real
questions?
happy about stealing my farm and giggle.
You have
Yeah, see right here? This is what a cop does when they come up to him. They give their ID. In fact, that one police officer we talked to.
Okay, if you want. I'll
Yeah,
show you
see?
my ID
Shut
right
up,
there.
boy.
Oh, good.
Shut up,
See,
boy.
now I'm happy.
Woo!
That's all you had to do. How hard is that? Now I'll take my card back. That's my
You want
property.
this card.
What's that?
Thought you just gave this to me.
No, I gave it to you to examine. Return my property to me. Now he's stealing. Hey!
Good Lord. He's giving it back to you.
No, you were withholding it.
Judd, John, there you go.
John
Make up your own
Besser,
laws.
you know who I am.
No, I don't. Show me your ID. If you don't know your ID, show it. Why don't you do something lawfully? You stole my farm illegally. You guys were real happy about stealing my farm and giggled.
Yeah, see right here? This is what a cop does when
Yeah.
they come up to him. They give their ID. In fact, that one police officer we talked to.
Okay, if you want. I'll
Yeah.
That up, boy.
Oh, good.
That
See,
boy.
now I'm happy.
Woo!
That's all you had to do. How hard is that? Now I'll take my card back. That's my property. What's that?
thought you just gave this to me.
No, I gave
wanted
it to examine. Return my property to me. Now he's stealing. Hey!
Good Lord. Giving it back to you.
No, we ain't giving it a rest until.
You know who I am. You've
No,
dealt
I
with me
don't.
before.
Show
I don't
me your
know who
ID.
you are.
If you don't know your ID,
I know
show
you
it.
from Adam.
Why don't you do something
Stop
lawfully?
it.
You stole my farm illegally. You guys were real happy about stealing my farm and giggle.
Yeah, see right here? This is what a cop does when they come up to him. They give their ID. In fact, that one police officer we talked to. Yeah, see?
That up, boy.
Oh, good.
That up,
See?
boy.
I'm happy. What
Woohoo!
you had to do? How hard is that? Now I'll take my card back. That's my property. What's that? No, I gave it to you to examine. Return my property to me. Now he's stealing. Hey!
No, we ain't
you're
giving it a
withholding
rest
it.
until.
Now he's stealing. Hey!
Good Lord. It's giving it back to you.
No, you were withholding it.
John Holtz is arrested. David Menace is arrested. Everybody that's on this piece of paper is arrested. Then we'll give it a break. But until they resign or get out, and just tell Holtz, fraud is forever. And you are involved in fraud too because you come to steal my farm too from me. How do you like that? I got them nailed to the cross.
You can...
Fraud is forever.
You can go do whatever you got to do. Hand out flyers. Just stay off the street and don't use the blowhorn, please.
Please. Okay, so it's not an order. See, there you go.
Keep it up. You will get arrested for disorderly conduct.
Oh, I will. No, you said...
Nice about it, okay?
No, well, if you're nice about it, you wouldn't be, working with a bunch of crooks.
The problem is people in town are
I don't care. No, see, the thing is, like I said, I have the noise ordinance right here, and we're allowed to do it.
Puts you above everybody else in town.
Oh, well, okay, I have the noise ordinance. Okay, see, I'm following your law. Yeah, see, right there.
We don't break your law.
Tell Finky that I have it in my hands, right here. Does he want the number? I got it right here. See, it's ordinance number. Oops, that's the paramilitary. Ordinance number 9318, public nuisance caused by someone. There you go. See? It says I'm allowed to do it.
So you just make up the laws, whatever Robin Finky tells you.
That's my copy, it's not your copy.
Okay, I'm saying
Robin Finky's a criminal.
It's all my property. I'm allowing you to examine it for a short period of time.
I got a pretty good set of pipes on me, so.
See, so I've examined the law, I've studied the law, and I'm in compliance with the law. See? So obviously your county attorney, who we've named in the criminal complaint, wants to shut us up. He doesn't want anyone to know about that he's involved in the criminal complaint.
You can go hand out all the flyers you want to.
Yeah, well, he doesn't tell me what to do. See, that's the problem.
You're not a criminal. You can't trust a
criminal.
criminal.
Use of operation of any radio, stereo, tape player, disc player, musical instrument, phonograph or loudspeaker, or any other machine or device used for production of amplifications and sounds distance of over 50 feet from said machine. And it's over 50 feet because you were down here and I could hear you all the way down at Burger King. So
yeah, see, this is the exception though, is a danger warning device. This is a danger warning device. So there.
Not unless you're doing something to warn people.
Yeah, we are. We're warning about criminal activity.
I'm not going to argue anymore.
Good, bye.
Basically, keep it off.
We got enough for YouTube. Enjoy being humiliated again.
I need that case number again.
You gonna bullhorn?
Yeah. Why not?
Going to jail?
I don't know. Find out. Let's go down this way. We were just threatened by the lawless Swift County Sheriff's Department threatening us that we couldn't bullhorn. Unfortunately, I have the public ordinance that says we're allowed to announce or use a danger warning device to warn the public. And that's what we're doing. But unfortunately, it is Robin Finky who is named in the criminal complaint, and he doesn't want you to know about it. That is the problem. Robin Finky is involved in criminal case number 10104429. That is the problem. Who in the hell does this son of a bitch think he is? He's a God-hating, un-American son of a bitch. Who in the hell does he think he is to tell me that I can't tell the public that he's a crook? I have clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence that he's involved. We have it all in a police report. If he wants to sue me, let him sue me. I don't see him suing me. It's been 2 months since we filed the complaint, and no one's doing anything about it. But as soon as we start informing the public, then we start being harassed by the cops. That's the problem. There's one right there. That's the one that just threatened us. Look, it's the Sheriff's Department. The county is involved. We named all the county officials. And here they are. They're harassing us because we're informing you of the criminal complaint. Case number 10104429. I might be arrested, he said. Well, why wasn't I arrested? I was already doing it. He sees that I'm doing it. I'm not doing it. He's not doing anything. He's calling Robin Finky now. Robin Finky! How are you going to cover up these crimes? I'll be in jail telling all the prisoners how I filed a criminal complaint against you. What are you going to do? Piss your pants? Probably. Everyone runs away. That's the problem. No one wants to know. I'm here to tell you that this is the situation. Let's go down this way.